In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set different customized columns for each list in Brevo. If you manage multiple contact lists, you may want each list to show different information. For example, one list might focus on subscription details, while another list might be more about event information. Brevo lets you customize which columns appear in the contact table for each specific list, so you can view the most relevant attributes right away. First, go to the main area where your contact data lives. In your Brevo dashboard, find and select Contacts. Then, within Contacts, choose Lists. This is where all of your available lists are organized and where you can manage list-specific settings. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct place, because the columns you set are tied to the list you select. Next, click on the specific list name that you want to customize. You can think of this as selecting the exact audience group you are working with. When you click the list name, the page should refresh and show you the contact table for that list. This matters because any column changes you make will apply to the list you selected, not to your other lists. Now that you are inside the correct list, look above the contact table. You will want to find the Settings or Columns icon. This icon is typically positioned near the top area of the table, where display options are available. Click that icon to open the column settings for this list. If you do not see the icon immediately, scan the top of the table area, since it may be grouped near other view controls. After you open the settings for columns, check the boxes for the attributes you want to display for this specific list. These attributes represent the fields you will see as columns in your contact table. For instance, you might choose fields like first name, last name, or other relevant custom attributes that exist in your contact data. Be selective here and choose only what you need, because displaying too many columns can make the table harder to read. As you review the options, keep in mind that these boxes control the visibility of columns in the list view. That means when you or your team look at this list later, the table will show the same chosen columns. This helps you work faster and reduces confusion, especially when different lists require different information. Once you have checked the attributes you want, confirm your changes by clicking Apply or Save. Depending on your interface, the button wording might differ, but the purpose is the same. This step is important because it actually updates the list view. After you click it, you should see the table reflect your selected columns. Finally, take a quick look at the updated contact table to make sure everything you selected is visible. If a column does not appear, you can return to the column settings icon and adjust the boxes again, then apply or save once more. When the displayed columns match what you want, you are done. And that covers everything you need to know. You can repeat the same process for each list, customizing the columns so each one shows the information that matters most for that specific audience. And that is all there is to it.